Have you ever heard the term the starving artist? An artist that sacrifices financial and mental well-being in order to focus purely on their artwork. Vincent van Gogh, just as one example, who painted famous works like The Starry Night. Some of his paintings are estimated to be worth over $100 million. But during his lifetime, he suffered health problems, relationship problems, and eventually died after living a full life financially struggling. There is plenty of rich artists in the graveyard, but only a very, very small percentage of people actually make a living from their artwork. There is so many different forms of art, from sculptures, paintings, you name it, everything has got that artistic approach. But in my opinion, the best way to make money from art, whilst obviously still breathing, is tattooing. I've been a tattoo artist myself for 16 years plus now. I like to think that I know the industry inside and out, and it's the exact way that I personally made my money as an artist. At the end of the video, I'll get into some exact figures so you can do the exact same. But I've been there for the rise in popularity in the tattoo industry. I can barely walk down the street without seeing a tattoo nowadays. Tattooing now is so popular, whether it be because celebrities are doing it, sport icons are doing it, but even as little as, 20 years ago, it was still a little bit on the taboo side. It wasn't as fashionable, so to speak, as what it is now. In fact, I dare say now, you're almost in the minority, let's be honest, if you're one of those people with totally clear skin. The majority of people have at least got one small tattoo, even if it's something tucked away, out of sight. It's actually hard to find somebody with zero tattoos almost. That's how popular they're becoming. Meaning one thing, listen, there is so much opportunity for work out there. And the beauty about it is there's a vast amount of different styles, niches. It doesn't matter what type of artist you are, there are people out there that want that style tattooed on them. Think about it. There's traditional, there's black and grey realism, there's just standard black and grey, new school, trash polka, dot work, mandala pieces, literally something for everybody. If you're good at doing stickmen, I would imagine there's a massive calling for people that just want a stickman tattooed on them. That is how specific and niche based you can be as an artist and still earn money within the tattoo industry. So tattooing is amazing to make money using your art. But how much are we talking? What can you actually earn? So if you run your business properly, depending on where you are in the world, you're talking big money. And I mean money that's classed as the high-end earners, like your doctors, solicitors, barristers, all these sorts of industries that you presume are the highest paid jobs. Actually, tattoo artists are earning equal to, and in some cases more than, these high-end jobs where people have had to go to college, university, go out and get degrees and a fucking list of qualifications as long as your arm just to get into this job. And yet we can earn more than them by just using as art. I know here in UK, prices for tattoos are relatively cheap, especially compared to places out in US. But let's just say here in UK, you're charging £500 for a sitting. Well, I can remember working 8 months, 7 days a week, doing 3 tattoos a day at 500. 1,500 a day, every day for 8 months. Now, I'll leave you to do the maths. It is easy money. And let's be honest, that is so rare. What other industry, without really having to go to university, college, and get all these qualifications and years of study, can you earn that sort of money? I mean, don't get me wrong, not all artists are earning that. Most that are not pushing themselves and really hammering the business and marketing, they might be earning 400, 500 a day. That is still a good wage, 10,000 a month. Go find another job that's paying 10 grand a month. They're hard to come by. To be earning that sort of money, there is a few things that I'd personally recommend that you start focusing on. And it's what separates the high-end earners from the average earners within the tattoo industry. I'm assuming by clicking on this video, you are an artist of some type, or you're actually a tattoo artist that's watching it. This is going to be a bitter pill to swallow. And hopefully by the end of this little explanation, it will totally make sense to you. Quick message to everybody that signed up to the membership program. Without all of you guys, this channel just would not be possible at all. So thank you. And we've got so many big plans for the future. So if you want to become a part of it and help the channel grow, and also get 2 exclusive follow along tattoo lessons every single week, plus a load more cool free stuff just chucked in there willy-nilly. It's just $14.99 a month, thereabouts, for literally as long or as little as you want. Check the link in the description. Thank you. It is not always about the art. It's more about the business and the marketing. Let me quickly explain, because there's going to be so many people watching this saying, no, it's about the quality of the art. Let's just think about that. Look at my work, just as an example. I'm one of the most paid artists worldwide, definitely within the UK. My work is not the best, all right? And I want you to look at any of the most famous paintings in the world, worth millions and millions. They're not always the most advanced painting. Why are they worth so much? Look at your local competitors around you in the tattoo industry. Some of the ones earning, they've got the biggest following, the best reputation. They're earning stupid money, but your work may be better than theirs. So what are they doing different to you? The answer is how they run the business and how they market that business. I like to use the analogy, and it's a bit blunt, but you could literally have the cure for cancer. If you did that, it'd be amazing. But if you didn't advertise and market that and nobody knew about it, you were just sat in your bedroom with this little test tube with the cure in, but no fucker knew about it. It's useless. It's no good to anybody because nobody knows about it. Running your business and marketing it is putting what your product, what people want, making them aware that it exists, making them have a burning desire to actually want to book in with you and not one of your competitors. And that goes for any single form of art, not just tattooing, don't matter what form you use, the same thing applies. It is about business and marketing. Just quickly, please let me know in the comments, what is the best way that you think you can make money from being an artist while you're living? Not when we're dead, while you're living, what is the best way that you can think of how to make money using art? So if you're an artist of any form and you're thinking, right, how can I use my artistic love, my artistic ability, and translate that into a job that I can actually get paid for whilst I'm breathing, then I'd strongly advise, look, give tattooing a go. I've got a course that's purposely designed for the complete beginner. If you've never had a tattoo, you've never even stepped in a shop, you might just be wanting to learn from day one, I've got the course that's perfectly suited for you, that literally takes you from never holding a machine right up to doing portraits at a professional level. And to start the course, it works out at less than $1 a lesson. It's $27. You get the first 30 days for that amount, plus a load of additional lessons on how to set up your machine, how to set up your workstation. And it is literally step by step. Listen, I'm going to be holding your hand every step of the way. This is how you tattoo a straight line. The next lesson, this is how you do a curved line, join lines, circles. There's no stone unturned, and literally you cannot do it wrong. So that being said, go check it out. It's in the description. Seriously, if you're a creative person, I'd highly recommend giving tattooing a go. And on that note, thank you for watching. As always, go check out the rest of the videos and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.